lasing na ako. Wala na yung wine. Dito pa rin kami ni Marivic. Ayan si Marivic, oh. Shot kami tonight. Kasi off naman namin. So,
wala naman yan sa libre.
wala yung shot. Wala yung alak pa more. Ayan, social kami dito. Red wine. Walang red horse dito eh. Walang, walang... White wine o sige.
White wine naman.
White wine. O yan. Social no. Yan. We're gonna drink white wine now kasi there's no red. So, color coding. It's gonna be white.
Color coding.
Girl, ano gagawin ka?
Stop thinking of him.
Stop. Stop. Cheers.
Drunk video.
Oo. Wine. This is the Sunday night fever. Wala. Ito lang kami. This is the city outside. Ayan, oh. I'll just show you the city. Ayan. Sydney. Ganda. Yan, malamig kaya meron akong what's this? Coat. Or shawl. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon. Isip-isip. Ayan, isip-isip din pag may time. Yun, kung dapat gawin. When I get back home. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. I don't expect anything when I get home. Basta, my expectation, I want my friends to be there. And my family too. My mom, my pamangkins. Yun lang yung ina-expect ko when I get home. Kasi na-miss ko rin sila. Ayun. Lamig. Yun na. Ano na, girl? Gora na tayo. Shot ulit. Ayan. Cheers. Oh, ayan. Kita ka. Cheers. Noriko. I don't think Noriko's watching YouTube. Noriko's busy with Wayne. Pipa. I know. Diba gano'n na si Noriko? Yes. Kanta talaga. Ano yan? What's that? Gulong ng palad?
Luha.
Oh!
Pakinggan mo yung lyrics kasi.
What's hangal, mama? What's hangal? Kailangan una to sana sa aking harapan. Ay, umalis ka na daw sa aking harapan. Sarap ng... Alam mo, masarap ang wine nila dito, no? You know what? One of the best wines can be found here in Australia. No? Red wine, white wine, lahat ng color. Oo. Okay, cheers.